Finding the right phone for seniors can be a challenge. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Lively Jitterbug Smart 4. Let's kick things off with the Lively Jitterbug Smart 4. Priced at around $38.78, this smartphone is designed specifically for seniors, which immediately caught my attention. If you want a phone that offers simplicity and support, this is worth a serious look. The Jitterbug Smart 4 runs on Android 13, so it's relatively modern in terms of software, but it's stripped down to cater to seniors' needs. The 6.75-inch screen is large, making it easier to see and read. Plus, it comes with voice calling and even real-time call captioning, which is fantastic for those who might have hearing issues. And let's not forget the urgent response button, allowing you to get help whenever you need it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're worried about emergencies or just want an easy-to-navigate phone, this feature is a lifesaver. Its customer service is available 24/7, which is a huge relief for seniors who might need help at any moment. Now, some people complained about the fact that it only works with the Lively phone service, which can be a deal-breaker if you're not looking to switch from your current carrier. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on simplicity and support, this limitation might not matter as much. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward phone with reliable customer assistance. Skip this one if you're looking for a more versatile phone that can work with multiple carriers. Given its price and features, it's a solid investment for peace of mind. Now, if the limited carrier options of the Jitterbug bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more rugged features. Product number 2, AGM M9 Rugged Basic Cell Phone. Next up is the AGM M9, priced at $64.64. This rugged phone caught my eye because it's all about durability and simplicity. If you want a phone that can withstand the elements while being easy to use, this is definitely worth considering. The AGM M9 features a 2.4-inch screen, which is smaller but manageable for basic functions like talking and texting. It's designed specifically for T-Mobile, so just make sure it fits your carrier needs. The standout features here are the large buttons and loud volume, which are fantastic for seniors who might struggle with smaller devices. With an IP68 rating, it's waterproof and dustproof, meaning you don't have to worry about it getting damaged easily. Plus, it has a speed dial feature that allows you to call important contacts instantly, a huge plus for emergencies. Here's why this matters. If you lead an active lifestyle or often find yourself in rugged conditions, this phone can handle it. However, some users pointed out that the phone can be tricky to activate with a new SIM card if you don't follow the specific instructions. Here's the thing, though, once you get past that initial setup, it performs well and is incredibly user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you want something tough and reliable for outdoor activities. Skip this one if you're looking for a smartphone experience or advanced features. For its price, you're getting a durable phone built to last. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit more functional. Product number 3, AGM M6 Feature Phone. Now let's talk about the AGM M6, priced at $116.36. This phone has a classic design that really speaks to those who prefer straightforward functionality. If you want a robust feature phone that still offers some modern perks, this is worth a look. It runs on a lightweight operating system that eliminates distractions like apps and Wi-Fi. This means you can focus on calls and texts, which is what matters most for many seniors. With an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, it's built to endure tough conditions. Plus, the ability to expand memory up to 128 GB is a nice touch for storing important contacts or media. However, a few users mentioned that the camera quality is quite basic. It's only 0.3 MP. Here's the thing though, if you're not focused on taking photos and just want a phone that can communicate effectively, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want something minimalistic and easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like high-quality photography. Given its durability and straightforward use, it offers great value for the price. Now, if you found the last product a bit too basic, The next one on the list might be more suited to your needs. Product number 4, AGM M10 Rugged Basic Flip Phone. Up next is the AGM M10, also priced at $116.36. This flip phone combines durability with ease of use, which is a refreshing change. If you're looking for a classic flip phone that doesn't compromise on features, this is definitely worth considering. The AGM M10 is designed specifically for T-Mobile and offers a compact size, making it easy to carry around. It's rugged with IP68 and IP69K certifications for water and dust resistance, and it can handle drops without a hitch. The large buttons and clear display make it user-friendly, and it comes with speed dial functionality for quick access to your most important contacts. Plus, it features an SOS button for emergencies, providing that extra layer of security. But some users did mention the need to activate a new SIM card in another phone first, which can be a hassle. Here's my take. While this added step might be annoying, the benefits of having a durable and straightforward phone make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you appreciate the reliability of a flip phone with modern features. Skip this one if you need a smartphone experience or prefer larger screens. Considering its durability and practical features, it's a solid choice for the price. Now, if you're looking for something that combines phone features with tracking capabilities, the last product on our list might be what you need. Product number 5, Secure Phone 4G GPS Tracker. Finally, we have the Secure Phone 4G GPS Tracker, priced at $193.88. This phone stands out because it's designed for vulnerable individuals like seniors, offering an added layer of security. If you want peace of mind with real-time tracking and controlled communication, this is a great option. This phone operates without internet, games, or apps, which means no distractions. It includes a touch screen, allowing for easy navigation, and it allows calls and texts only to numbers that are programmed by family members. This feature is fantastic for parents or caretakers who want to ensure their loved ones can only communicate with trusted contacts. The GPS tracking is a game changer for those worried about wandering or getting lost. You can check their location in real time. Here's why this matters. If safety is a top priority for you or your family, this phone is designed with that in mind. However, it requires you to purchase a specific cellular plan, which some users found frustrating. Here's the thing, while this adds a layer of complexity, the benefits of safety and control make it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you have a loved one with special needs or who may wander. Skip this one if you're looking for a regular phone experience without tracking. It's a bit pricier, but the added security features justify the cost. So there you have it, 5 great dumb phones for seniors, each with their unique strengths. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the lively Jitterbug Smart 4 because of its dedicated support and ease of use. Avoid the Secure Phone if you prefer something straightforward without added complexity. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.